Have you seen our new Nuvo blending brushes? Oh, they are so soft. They are as soft as a baby's bottom. You remember as a kid you used to stroke that pussy willow thinking how soft it was, and that's the texture of these brushes. They are beautiful, they really are. They're all really fine bristle in there. They're really soft, but they give you the most immaculate coverage ever. Okay, so let's just set this up. So I've got a piece of card here. Actually, I'm not going to use my stencil. I want to be a rebel. Okay, so let's just bring in some of that ink, and let's bring in the brush, and look at this. I'm starting in the middle. I would never do this with a normal brush. Adding that little bit of weight in there, bringing all that colour in. Now, can you see a brush stroke at all? Can you see how beautifully soft that is? There's no halo in there. There's no clouding in there at all. It is a beautiful, beautiful fine blend that you're going to be able to achieve with this. So let me bring that up and then you'll be able to have a look. Let's have a look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see any haloing, any clouding? There is nothing. It is a beautiful, beautiful, soft blaster colour in the middle, and that is what you're going to be able to achieve using these beautiful Nuvo brushes.